Hey guys, what's happening? How to set stop loss and take profit on Kraken Pro. So you're gonna go ahead to your chart. I'm gonna click the chart at the bottom middle right here, right, that I'm currently in. And then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go ahead and scroll a little bit down. You're gonna see that TP and SL. Basically, enter the amount of Bitcoin that you want to buy or the amount in total USD. Let's say, for example, $2, right? Or let's say $10, right? And then set that take profit or stop loss depending on the market price. So as you can see right here, the market price is 100,003, right, or 103,000, right, and 553. Let's say the take profit, let's say 110, right, or let's say let's say right here 10 plus, right, 113, and the stop loss should be minus 25, which means 77,000. Okay, and then basically go ahead, buy or sell that coin or that Bitcoin asset. So basically that's it. This video is not financial advice. Always trade with caution and do your own research before making any financial decision. So don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.